Alrighty guys, this video won't be extremely long. I'm just super excited. Let me tell you something, this new sprayer, I got this from I believe Walmart, but they have them in Tractor Supply in different places, Rural King. It was $59, which is, you know, decent for a sprayer, especially a plastic sprayer. Guys, this is 50 times better than what I'm using. This is well worth the money. I've got 4 gallons on my back, 4 gallons of fish emulsion, micro boost, organic fertilizer. I can do my entire 2-acre property, flowers, vegetables, the mailbox flowers, everything with 1 tank. It's also easier to carry because it straps on you. It has a comfort grip handle, very heavy duty, very well made. It comes with different tips. I'm just trying out the standard tip, but it also comes with like a 4-way, 3 or 4-way different nozzles. You can do like different fanning sprays, kind of like on a water hose. But guys, this is incredible. This is amazing. I mean, it has a little hand pump, which I can't really, I don't know if I can see. There it is. You can put it on either side. I put it on this side because I'm left-handed, so I can pump with my right and spray with my left. But you can adjust it any way you want to. It has a Viton rubber gasket on the lid, which is what we use at work. I work at a chemical plant and film plant, and that's what we use. So it's very commercial grade stuff. Very heavy duty. The metal handle is all metal, you know. The strapping is very tough and thick, and buckles are well made. I mean, I just can't say enough good things about this. So come with me and help me fertilize a little bit, okay? Had some of these basils and tomatoes here. I can really hone in on these tomato plants and really kind of tilt my wand and kind of hit for the base of the plant, because I don't want to get the leaves too wet, because a lot of disease problems can come from when you water nightshades on their leaves. So I just prefer to hit the base. Other stuff you'll see me do like a leaf drench, or, you know, hit the roots, the leaves and do a leaf drench. But, you know, with tomatoes and nightshades, I'm just gonna go ahead and just hit the roots. Now, you can see I'm running out. Let me hold my camera here. All I have to do is easy as that. Isn't that cool? Man, it's so neat. This is well worth the money for small gardeners or small market growers like myself. And see, now I'm ready to go. Man, a lot of power. A lot of power. A lot of capacity. I no longer have to refill my tank. I no longer have to bend down to repump it. Guys, this is incredible. I just cannot say enough. The tip also, I'll tell you, the tip is adjustable. Even this one is, to where you can, I do more of a stream so I can hit the roots of some of these things. But if you wanted to just do a broad application, you could fan it out. And it does a very good job fan too. Well guys, that's it. I got to get ready for the farmer's market. Short video, but I just wanted to showcase this thing, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Hit like, hit subscribe, and join me for other videos. And let's get growing some stuff, guys.